This is QuickBooks Capsules, an instructional video channel to get the most out of your administrative platform. How to use owner's distribution account. Very often, small business operations are mixed with the owner's personal accounts. This is not a should, but in most cases, it is inevitable. Today we will discuss two particular cases. Case 1. Those paid with business accounts but are expenses that belong to the owner. Case 2. There are also cases where the business has expenses, but the owner from his account disperses them. Let's see how to treat Case 1. We got in the bank feed a PetSmart expense in the Chase Checkings account. Some toys for John's dog, owner of ABC Company, was paid for with a corporate debit card. Undoubtedly this expense does not belong to the corporation, but it is there. It has come out of the current account. We are pointing it to the owner's distributions account. Legally, it is not an expense of the business and increases the owner's debt to the business. In the case of dividend distribution, the owner will receive the total, minus distributions, plus contributions made during the year. See how to set up this account with your controller. Let's see how to deal with Case 2. The owner found an expense in his personal account for a rented vehicle, hotel, and some restaurants on a business trip to Houston, Texas. We should create the expense. But point it not to the company's bank accounts but to an account called Owner's Distributions. Contact your controller if you cannot find it in your accounting. Do not forget to include as much information as possible for future analysis. Let's see what this account looks like after several transactions. If, after all credits and debits, the amount is positive, the owner owes the business that amount. If, on the other hand, that amount is negative, the company owes the owner. Normally this account is also used to record annual dividend distributions, especially when it is an S Corp. Discuss this topic in more detail with your controller. What if there are two or more partners? Well, we will have several owners' distribution accounts. Something like John's distributions and Michelle's distributions. This practice is incredibly useful for keeping track of contributions. The money contributed by the partners and the money paid by the partners separately. Now it looks easy, doesn't it? This is the end of our capsule. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more knowledge pills. This video has been brought by Controller on Demand. Accounting advice at your click distancing.